So, in this presentation, we are going to explore who are the philosophers contributing with the philosophical foundation. So, the philosopher can be taken as someone who critically examines the fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, values, and the ethics, contributing to our understanding of the world around us and our place in it through the theory and analysis. We are going to learn about those philosophers. So, the Thales of Miletus is the one of the first philosopher. So, he proposed the water as the fundamental substance. If we are looking more deeper in this way, Thales, the first known philosopher from Miletus, modern-day Turkey, explored subjects like astronomy, mathematics, and the elements. He proposed that water underlies everything, and he believed the universe had its own soul and many deities. On the other hand, Plato explored the ethics and the dualism of the soul and body. Plato is a prominent philosopher from Athens, focused on abstract concepts such as unity, beauty, and the goodness. He distinguished between appearance and the reality, and discussed the soul and body duality, and examine life's consequences based on the past events. And the Plato is also recognized as the founder of the idealism. Aristotle proposes the rationalism and contributed to logic, ethics, and the natural sciences with a systematic approach. So, the Aristotle is a Greek philosopher and a student of Plato, made a significant contribution to ethics, reasoning, and the psychology. He emphasized the moral conduct, introduced the concept of golden mean, and he strived for a balanced life for a moral well-being. Socrates introduced the Socratic method, and the emphasis was driven with the self-examination. Socrates renowned for his method of questioning, leading to the Socratic dialogue and the Socratic method. His influence on Western philosophy is profound, despite not leaving any written work, emphasizing the self-examination and the pursuit of truth. Friedrich Nietzsche is the person who introduced the will to power concept. He is a German philosopher and the critic of morality, advocated for re-evaluating the moral consciousness grounded in logic. He critiqued the traditional beliefs and perceived value on life. So, and the truth and the personal responsibility, that is what called will to power concept. Jean-Paul Sartre is a person who introduced the existentialism, focused on the individual freedom as well as the responsibility. Sartre, a French existentialist philosopher, so he emphasized the individual freedom and the responsibility in actions. He utilized the phenomenological method to examine the conscious experiences and propose the meaninglessness of human endeavors. Epicurus, on the other hand, a Hellenistic philosopher, he promoted the peace of mind through simple living and pursuit of pleasure, and he believed in atoms as a basic element, and the sensory knowledge, and the absence of disembodied soul. He conceptualized the void as the space for movement and the eternity of the universe. Simone de Beauvoir is the person who addressed the gender equality and the challenged societal norms. Beauvoir is a French feminist philosopher emphasizing equality based on being rather than gender. She questions the consciousness, interaction, and advocating for individual worth, and co-founded a review with the Sartre. Okay, so Simone is a French feminist philosopher and she fight for the gender equality. On the other hand, Arthur is a pessimistic philosophy focusing on the primacy of the will and human desire. He is a German philosopher, proposed a pessimistic view emphasizing the reason behind existence. He discussed the unified nature of will and actions and the interdependence of time and space. Okay. Søren Kierkegaard is father of the existentialism. So he emphasized the subjective truth, faith, and the personal responsibility in the existentialism. He is a Danish philosopher and the existentialism pioneer, promoted individual identity formation against societal norms.